Hello everybody, my name is Raihaan Jivan. Welcome to another Makeblock lesson. Today's lesson is Fruits War Part 1. Today we're going to learn how to make a game called Fruits War. But before we get to that, let us take a quick review of what we learned in our previous lesson. Review. In the previous lesson, we played the game Where's the Panda and learned a few really cool things. We had seen that the panda was hidden in one of the two boxes. The aim was to click on the box you guessed. If you guessed incorrectly, a bomb will explode on the stage. And if your guess was correct, then fireworks will be released on the stage. But how did this happen? Was it magic? This is no magic. This cool feature takes place in the broadcast function. We learned that this function uses messages between different sprites involving a set of broadcast blocks. For example, if you click on the right box, the panda will appear with the celebration fireworks. However, if you click on the wrong box, a bomb will pop up on the stage. Today we come to a fruit island with a little monkey. There are various fruits in abundance, such as coconuts, bananas, and many more. The little monkey was excited, but soon he realized that there is danger on this island. What kind of danger? Let's find out. Game time. The danger on this fruit island is that there are coconuts falling from the sky at any time, and hence the monkey needs to dodge these coconuts or else he will be hit on the head. Let's get down to the rules. 1. There are coconuts falling from the sky at any time. 2. Use the left and right arrows to move the little monkey, keeping away from the falling coconuts. 3. The game shall be ended in case of a coconut hitting on the little monkey. 4. Hold a contest to see whose monkey lives longer. How can this challenging game be achieved by programming? Key points. In order to design the gameplay, you need to learn the following programming skills. Let's take a look at a few of them. The coordinate system. There are many coconuts falling at different positions. How do we make numerous coconuts to fall down? We have learned how to change the position of the sprite in the previous lesson on the stage. But what if we knew the length and the height of the stage area? Then we can let the length of the stage be x, which represents a flat distance, and we can let the height of the stage be y, which represents a straight up distance. This can be further understood by the following figure. The x position ranges from minus 240 to 240, in which when x is equal to minus 240, it shall be in the far left of the stage. And when x is equal to positive 240, it shall be in the far right of the stage. Similarly, the y position ranges from minus 180 to positive 180, in which when y is equal to minus 180, it shall be at the lowest position of the stage. And when y is equal to positive 180, it shall be at the highest position of the stage. For this program, it shall be set that when the height of the coconut is less than minus 170, it shall be placed back at the highest position, which is y equal to positive 180, for it to start to fall again. In order to allow for the coconuts to move, the motion icon in the block area has multiple blocks with numerous functions to allow for the coconuts to move, such as the go to random position block. This block moves the sprite to a random position, mouse pointer position, or another position. The set y to 100 block sets the y coordinate of the sprite to the specified value. The change y by 10 changes the y coordinate of the sprite by the specified value. The y coordinate of the sprite represents the position of the sprite in the up-down direction on the stage. Let us go through a quick tutorial to understand how these blocks work and how they are put into place. Step 1. Delete the default sprite panda and add the coconut sprite from the sprite library. Once this is done, Then select when green flag clicked from the events. Now select Go to Random Position from the motion block. Assemble it under when the green flag is clicked. Step 4. Select Set to Y from Motion. Thereafter, change the value to 180 and assemble it under the Go to Random Position. Now, select Forever from Control and assemble it under the Set to Y 180. Now, select Change by 10 from the motion and change the value to -5. Thereafter, embed it in the forever loop. This allows for the coconuts to fall from the sky. Once this has been completed, click on the green flag to run the program. Notice how the coconuts are falling from the sky. However, a keynote is that the coconut does not fall multiple times. It stops at the lowest position. The relation operator. In the above example of programming, the coconuts shall stand still when it hits the lowest position of the stage. You might spot that the coconut shall be disappeared without lingering after it is at the lowest position of the stage in the game of Fruits War, and then countless coconuts shall fall from the top again. Did you notice that the coconuts stopped falling? In order to achieve this effect in the game, the operator's block of comparison of size shall be used. The operator's icon is an operator for comparison of value A and value B. It can be used as a condition, where the condition shall be valid if A is less than B, otherwise it shall not be valid. Let us go through a quick tutorial to understand how these blocks work and how they are put into place. Step 1. Select the if-then statement from the control item and embed it in the forever loop. Step 2. Select the less than 50 block from the operator's icon and change the value 50 to -170. Thereafter, go to the motion icon and select the Y position block right at the bottom and embed it into the block of less than -170. This helps to see if the sprite is in the lowest position of the stage. Thereafter, embed the block of Y position less than -170 into the if-then statement. Now go to the motion icon and select the Go to Random Position block and embed it into the if-then statement. Now go to the motion icon and select the Set Y to and change the parameter to 180. Assemble it under the block Go to Random Position. This allows for the coconut to be dropped at multiple positions. Once this has been completed, click the green flag to run the program. Notice how the coconut will continuously fall at multiple positions. It's hands-on time. Let us take a quick peek into how the game looks. Notice that as the coconuts are falling from the sky, the monkey needs to dodge them by moving left or right. Let us use what we have just learned in the previous videos to complete the programming for this game. Aha! Practical task. Continue to write the program based on the example program. Please pause the video and follow the steps in order to continue the programming for this game. Task promotion. Try to add more interesting effects to the game, such as switching the background at the end of the game to make the ending interface of the game more interesting. Let's see what you guys come up with. If you thought this game was cool, then let us share what we learned today. Share your project with everyone, including friends and family. Ooh, quiz time. Please try and answer these questions to check if you understood what took place in today's lesson. Thank you for joining another lesson on Steam Makeblock.